This is a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is one of the finest vehicles ever created. If you have one of these, you want to hang on to it for as long as you can and keep it running. This is the power steering pressure hose from this vehicle. In this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to replace this hose when it does inevitably leak. This hose developed a leak right here at this lower joint. And I'm going to show you where this is in the car. Coming in from above, the location of this joint is down there where I'm shining the light. So this is the orientation that this hose sits in the car. And to remove it, you have two fittings, one right up here and the other one down here. This hose is sealed by O-rings. You have one O-ring at this fitting here and another O-ring here. These O-rings will come in the new kit with the new hose. Be sure to install these O-rings or your system will leak. So to remove these fittings, you want one of these flare knot wrenches right here. And the top one takes what is that, 16 millimeter, and the bottom one takes an 18 millimeter. So you will find when you go to the top fitting, which is right here, that this radiator hose is in the way. So you want to remove this radiator hose, and then you will have an easier time getting the wrench onto the fitting. And for the bottom one that I'm shining the light on right there, you want to go from underneath the car. This is your power steering reservoir right here. And when you remove the hose, inevitably some fluid will leak and you will want to refill it. After you refill the reservoir, you will want to purge the air out of the system. And to do this, you lift the front wheels off the ground, and without running the engine, you turn the steering from lock to lock several times. After you do that, you can check the level in the power steering reservoir and you'll see that it has dropped. So you refill it. This completes our quick tips on changing the power steering hose. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.